Netskope, a global cybersecurity leader, is redefining cloud, data, and network security to help organizations apply zero trust principles to protect data. To me, Netskope is the first fully SASE capable solution as it delivers converged network and security as a service capabilities, including SD-WAN, SWG, CASB, next generation firewall, and zero trust network access. Somerford is a top-tier partner with Netskope. We have specialist knowledge and experience in enabling digital transformation at scale and at pace. Our services include full delivery, including design, implementation, deployment, and support. Today I'm going to run through 10 use cases that cover the key benefits of Netskope based on questions I have been asked about it from those within the public sector. The first is that Netskope is a full software as a service solution, hence it is operated from anywhere via a cloud portal. This can be secured in a number of ways, such as via only allowing access from specific addresses or integrating with an IDP with MFA. Secondly, the easiest way to deploy Netskope is by way of the lightweight Netskope client. This in turn provides a secure tunnel to steer traffic to Netskope from a user's device and hence operates wherever the user may be globally. Thirdly, as standard, we have threat protection enabled so all uploads and downloads are being scanned for threats and being stopped at source. At its most basic, we have Netskope providing next generation secure web gateway features wherein we have applied both acceptable use and security related category filtering, as well as our own custom categories to enable our users the freedom to work without compromising security. Note that as this is a next-gen secure web gateway, we can control users right down to individual activities on sites as opposed to blocking every time. A key use case for this is to allow for downloading from unsanctioned cloud storage sites, but not allowing uploading to the same. Much like with the next-gen secure web gateway, we have the ability to granularly control app usage and granular user activities via Netskope's Cloud Access Security Broker or CASB. As shown, we are allowing this user to access Google Drive, but they can upload but cannot download. To further enable our users and control our sensitive information, we utilize Netskope's powerful DLP features wherein we are deciding upon a user's actions based upon content of a document or file. In this instance, the user is trying to upload a document containing sensitive information to Google Drive. Netskope scans the document, sees it contains GDPR relevant info, and blocks it. All of this is fully customizable in relation as to how content is classified. Whilst we are trying to give our users freedom to work, we also want to limit personal account usage of web and apps. As shown, using Netskope's constraints, we are blocking the user from logging into Google using their personal account. However, when they use their work account, they can get in fine. Therefore, we have closed off a major data exfiltration avenue that users may try. This is also a great way to mitigate phishing, as the users can never transmit their work usernames or passwords to fake sites, when Netskope is configured to only allow the entry of these on sanctioned ones. Using Netskope's reverse proxy, we can close down yet another backdoor for users, wherein they may try to log into company cloud resources from a personal machine. In this example, the user can log into Google Drive fine when Netskope isn't running. However, they cannot download anything. This is because we have a policy within Netskope locking down the download activity for anyone coming in when Netskope is not running on their client. You can see they've been forwarded to a Netskope URL at the top of the screen, but are still inside of Google Drive. It's not just web we can control. With Netskope's private access feature, we can replace legacy VPNs and provide least privileged access to internal apps and resources to users. We have a Netskope publisher sitting inside our company perimeter that has a secure connection to Netskope in the cloud, and we have this publisher talking to a target server. Now, when I SSH to the server in question, I'm going through my client, to Netskope in the cloud, to the on-premise publisher, and to the server via a secure tunnel. And everything we are doing is being captured by Netskope to provide full visibility into the applications and sites being used by users, the activities they perform, the alerts generated by their actions, and so on. We also have Netskope hooked into Google Drive, and it too is recording all activities therein too, even from users accessing it with no Netskope running. We can also get visibility of all files stored in it, as well as being able to perform malware and DLP scans of all this data at rest. Other platforms are supported too, such as OneDrive for Business. To wrap it up, those were 10 key use cases and benefits of using Netskope that are critical for public sector usage, and I only just scratched the surface in relation to Netskope's capabilities. One of the key things that comes up in public sector conversations is visibility and control of movement of sensitive data, and Netskope can assist with both. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Netskope, then please get in touch with us at info@somerfordassociates.com, and thank you for watching.